Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's video is about the air in the atmosphere. Have you ever noticed whenever you are in the garden you feel refreshing and happy? It's all because wherever there are trees, the surrounding air is quiet, refreshing. It is because the trees release oxygen into the air. Trees help and maintaining the level of oxygen in the air, which is important for the survival of living beings. The atmosphere is composed to many gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, and many other gases which are very less in volume, but they are also very important. Bacteria that live in the soil take nitrogen from the air and change its form so that plants can use it. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Let us find out what gases air is composed of. Nitrogen is 78% and oxygen is about 21%. Together, these two gases make 99% volume of the atmosphere. The rest 1% are carbon dioxide, argon, helium, neon, hydrogen, ozone, and water vapor. This is composition of air. Do you ever think that air has weight and a shape? The air has weight, but it doesn't have a shape. If we put the air in an object, it will take the shape of that object. Let's do some experiments. So for this experiment, we need a stick, some balloons, some strings, and nails. So we balance the balloons on a stick. So you can see they are the same size, and if we pop one, the other balloon will go down and the other one will go up. Do you know why? Because the other balloon has weight. So that's why. Air has weight. Air has weight. That's why it doesn't go normal. Yeah, it's not balanced because it has air in it. We need 2 candles and a glass. If we put one glass in the candle, it will turn off.
Why?
Why? Because it doesn't have air.
There is no air?
Yes. For this experiment, we need water and a glass. We put the glass in the water, and if we get it out, no water is in there because air is in there. And if we turn it a little, bubbles come. Do you know why? Because the air is coming out. If we turn it a bit, bubbles come because there's air inside and it's coming out. And the water going in. Bye. And subscribe. Share and like. Which side? For this experiment, we need a stick, some balloons, some straw, and some nails. One of rings. Oh, look, what's the